Day 9 of Inktober, and today's prompt is throw. Now, throw is a very easy topic because we all understand what throw is. We can draw something that we are throwing somewhere. We ourselves are getting thrown, a human being getting thrown on someone or on something. So, throw could have been illustrated in a different ways. But the first time that I saw this prompt in the official prompt list, the first thing that came in my mind was cricket. See, I'm from India, and India being a cricket playing nation, in fact, we are really good at it. I must tell you, the people who do not follow this sport, India is good in this one. So, for me, throw is when the fielder throws the ball towards the wicket. That is what came into my mind. So what is a fielder? People who do not know cricket, a small brief. Fielders are the players on the field who are not either batting or bowling. So they are supposed to throw the ball or catch the ball while the game is on. So this is the simplest version of making you understand what cricket is. So throwing the ball has got a very big importance. That is when I thought that let's draw a player throwing the cricket ball. And to achieve that, I felt that while I sketch it, this can be a good tutorial for even the beginners. That is why for this video, I have kept 90%, in fact 95% of the whole video in real time. So what this will do is I had got few comments last 1 week during this Inktober week that why don't you draw something for the beginners, why don't you give a tutorial. So I do have many tutorials on my complete channel list. If you can see all the videos, then there are lots of tutorials that I've already provided, but still I don't think I have provided any full body figure drawing. So this can be a good kind of a technique of drawing anything. Recently I have started posting live videos, that is on Instagram. I come live and I try to show that how we can draw anything and everything, like from a reference photograph, from a reference object, from someone as a reference, or mostly we do not get live audience as a subject. So we do use photographs for portraits too. So that is what I have started doing on Instagram, and that has been good. I think I got good results. In fact, that is the reason I ask you guys to follow me on Instagram. I will be doing more of them, and you would not like to miss it if you are interested in drawing or drawing figures, portraits, animals, buildings, because I try to draw different things and with different kind of media like colored pencils, charcoal, lot of things, and watercolor. So this Inktober, I am using ink like most of the artists out there right now. So these things, they do affect like how you need to approach a drawing, how you need to turn your ideas into a drawing. That is very important. So be it any kind of a traditional drawing or digital drawing, you need to change your idea. Convert your idea into an illustration or a drawing. For that, there is a process. So that needs to be like grasped. It needs practice a lot, but still you need to realize how people like us who already do commission works or who are working on these types of things for long, how do we think, how do we go for an approach. So for you guys, I would suggest please subscribe to this channel, because I will be bringing not only Inktober, the Inktober for sure I'm gonna complete. I'm right now very confident, and even after Inktober I'll continue to give videos. Like every week I do give videos, more than 2 now, in fact 3 at times. So that will definitely help you in your progress in art or drawing. So I would suggest that you guys need to subscribe, and if you are not yet a follower of my Instagram page, then you should. And the other social media links like Facebook and even Patreon is there, but I would suggest first follow me on Instagram and on YouTube so that you do not miss anything that I post, or even tutorials or live sessions that I can do. So guys, share this video also, and if you are a cricket fan, I would really feel that you would like it. And even if you're not a cricket fan, you just want to draw figures and you like this one, my day 9 try. So if you like it, then please hit the like button. That helps the channel, that helps YouTube understand that these videos are helpful, and that gives me obviously huge amount of confidence to keep drawing every day. So as a reference, I would say that for this drawing I went to Google, searched throw. Actually, I searched throwing a cricket ball. I saw a player, I think, I don't remember, maybe it was an Australian player who was throwing the ball. I just had that idea in my mind. I made a rough skeleton figure, and then I directly went on with the ink here. But for the first time, I made a rough skeleton figure on pencil in a different sheet. So that helped me build up the idea, and then I came directly in here and used my pen. So for the materials, I would again remind you that I have already made a video just before Inktober, a sketch of Valorant, the game, using all the materials that I have used or I will still be using for the upcoming days of Inktober and the rest of the days, that is. So I think you need to see that if you are unsure yet that what exactly am I using and how did I choose all of them. So everything is there in that video. You can go and have a check and then come back to watch this and let me know how you feel about this one, because your comments have been very, very supportive, and I cannot thank you enough. I say that now every day, that I just cannot thank you enough for this much amount of support that I'm getting every day during this Inktober. So see you tomorrow again with the next prompt, and I guess that will even be better than today, because that is what the aim is. We need to get better from today, and for sure we can achieve that. See you then. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.